Financial year 1920 is about to end, and in India we follow the financial year mainly for all tax related purposes. Deductions, exemption, rebates all are provided separately for each financial year. Good morning friends, my name is Rajat Singal and I welcome you all to the Moneymarine YouTube channel. And today in this video I am sharing 5 things that you should keep in mind before the end of financial year 2019-20. So let's have a look on these 5 points. Point number 1. Do not forget to link your PAN with your Addhar card, because after 31st March 2020, your PAN will become invalid and you may not be able to use your PAN for all the financial activities. Point number 2. If anyhow you have forgotten to file your income tax return for the previous year, that is financial year 2018-19, then file it now. However, the due date of filing ITR for financial year 2018-19 was 31st August 2019, but with a small penalty, you can still file belated income tax return for the financial year 2018-19. And so be sure that you file your income tax return by 31st March 2020. Don't miss this last chance. Point number 3. If you have any PPF account, then do not forget to transfer compulsory annual minimum payment of rupees 500 in your PPF account, and that too before 31st March 2020. Point number 4. If you are engaged in any kind of business or any kind of self-employed activities and your annual tax payment exceeds rupees 10,000, then you are liable to pay advance tax. So friends, do not forget to pay your advance tax before 15th March 2020. And here I must add that delay in payment of advance tax may attract extra burden of interest and penalties under section 234. Point number 5. Do calculate your turnover, annual sales, because the total turnover in your current year up to 31st March is to be calculated for the purpose of determining various aspects like GST registration, GST audit, eligibility of opting composition scheme, etc. etc. For example, if your annual turnover exceeds rupees 40 lakh in current financial year, then you are liable to register under GST for the next financial year. However, the limit is rupees 20 lakh if you are a service provider. Also be sure that you have made sufficient investment for tax saving purpose by 31st March 2020 to avail deduction under section 80C and 80D. You can use various online tax calculator to calculate the amount that you need to invest in various tax saving schemes like insurance, ELSS mutual fund, national savings certificates, PPF, etc. Otherwise, you can WhatsApp me your query on my WhatsApp number, that is 9999735678, or even you can download my Moneymarine app to solve your tax related problem. I hope you already have fulfilled all these requirements, but if anyhow any of the above is left, then you still have time to complete your list. Thank you friends. I wish you all a very prosperous financial year ahead.